Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create a clean and professional organic tomato vector in Adobe Illustrator. This step-by-step tutorial is designed to be simple and easy to follow, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced designers. Before we begin, I want to take a moment to thank everyone who supports this channel through Patreon and YouTube memberships. Your support means a lot and allows me to continue creating high-quality tutorials and exclusive content. If you would like to support the channel, you can join my Patreon community by clicking the links in the description. As a member, you will get early access to videos, exclusive project files, and all the vector files used in my tutorials. The vector we are creating today is technically simple, but the colors may strain your eyes after a while. To reduce the impact, I used protective glasses during the process. If you experience discomfort, I recommend taking short breaks while working on your design. This channel is dedicated to helping you improve your vector design skills. Instead of searching for ready-made vectors, you will learn how to create your own. By following these tutorials, you will be able to design unique vectors tailored to your projects. Let me know in the comments what kind of vector tutorials you would like to see next. I will do my best to create new videos based on your suggestions. Also, I want to express my gratitude to those who regularly watch, comment, and support the channel. Your engagement keeps me motivated to continue producing educational content. Don't forget to join our Telegram, WhatsApp, and Discord groups to stay updated with the latest tutorials and announcements. You can find the links in the description. Now, let's get started with the tutorial.